Good morning, students. Welcome to Banga Knowledge Academy. Today, we will evaluate a reference source on the basis of some criteria, and our reference source is Europa World Book. So, a Europa World Yearbook is an yearbook, and before going to proceed our evaluation, we must know that what is difference between yearbook and almanac. Sometimes it creates confusion. So yearbook is the collection of all chronological data of previous years, and almanac, it's just like a calendar which has data of current year, and it is used for the upcoming days and months. And on the other hand, yearbook has data of previous years. So now we will begin the evaluation of Europa World Yearbook. The publisher of Europa World Yearbook is Europa Publication. Editor is Routledge. Publisher country is United Kingdom. And first edition of Europa World Yearbook was in 1926, and the latest edition, that is 60th edition, is 2019, and language is in English and frequencies annually. So the first edition of Europa World Yearbook was published in 26 and globally renowned as one of the world's leading reference work, covers political and economic information in more than 250 countries and territories from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. So this is the most respected reference work on world affairs. The Europa World Yearbook provides authoritative, current and analytical information about countries and international organizations. So it is the one of the famous yearbook which covers various countries and territories, and more than 250 countries has its coverage. And now we will come to the scope of Europa World Yearbook. It is of international scope, and in volume 1 it consists of an initial section on international organizations, followed by alphabetically arranged countries of the world. Over 250 countries and territories, analytical, statistical and directory data is available, and it offers in-depth expert analysis at regional, sub-regional and country level. So it has wide scope and huge collection of the data. It benefits an academic libraries, public libraries, publishers, business and international organizations, government departments, embassies, media and research organizations, trade and professional association. So the main scope of this yearbook is to give concise but complete description of organizations and countries. So it covers all the basic description of organizations and countries. So now we will go to the treatment section, how it is treated in physical form. In the volume 1, the international organization sections give extensive coverage to United Nations and its related agencies, and the European Union, the Criminal Court and the Organization of the petroleum exporting countries, etc. There are also detailed articles concerning the other major international and regional organizations. Entries for many affiliated organizations appear within these articles. So it's treated widely in it covers the various countries of UN agencies and European unions also. Each country is covered by an individual chapters containing. Under the treatment section, the coverage of country has various issues. It is a unique introductory survey covering contemporary political history, economic affairs, constitution and government, regional and international corporations and public holidays. An extensive statistical survey using the latest available figures on demographics, labor forces, health, welfare, agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, industry, currency, exchange rates, government, finance, international reserves, and the monetary sector, cost of living, national accounts, balance of the payments, external telecommunications, and education. And in addition, it is a comprehensive directory section listing names, addresses, telephone and fax numbers, email, internet address, plus other useful facts about organizations from the fields of government, election commission, political organizations, diplomatic representations, judicial system, religion, the press, publishers, broadcasting and communications, banking, insurance, trade and history, development organizations, chambers of commerce, industrial and trade associations, utilities, trade unions, transport, tourism, defense and education. So it covers the various sections and various parts and various movements of the country which are in a year. So now we will see the arrangement. On the basis of arrangement, how this yearbook is arranged. So it consists of 3 volumes. First volume part consists of part 1, which contains a comprehensive listing of more than 2000 international organizations, and part 2 countries from Afghanistan to Equatorial Guinea. Then index of international organizations. Now we will move to volume 2, and from in volume 2 we see countries from Eritrea to Nicaragua. Then in volume 3 countries Niger to Zimbabwe, and then after the volume 3 index of territories is also given. The abbreviation and international telephone codes are also provided in the beginning of indexes at the end of volume 1 and 3rd. Countries, names and indexes are listed letter by letter alphabetically. So this is the arrangement of the Europa World Yearbook. Now we will see the format. The Europa World Yearbook is available in both print and online format. Print format has a hardback binding. It is in 3 volumes. Pages are good quality, making it durable. Printing is clear and legible. Entries are distributed on pages in 2 columns. Then uh, online format is also available. Then Europa World Plus is online version of the renewed the Europa World Yearbook and the 9 Europa Regional Survey of the World. All 10 product components are available in Europa World Online. So it is available as Europa World Plus in online format. And now we will check the online features. Online features, what is updated. Uh, First updation is that recent events features like government changes, election results, and other major political and diplomatic appointments are updated on daily basis. All other statistical and directory information for all countries and territories is thoroughly updates at the least twice a year. International organizations coverage is updated throughout the year, and the country and territory profiles are extensively updated annually. So online features give us more comprehensive updated knowledge as compared to print. And we will check the other features. What are the other features of Europa World Yearbook? It is available online at address www.europaworld.com. A full range of sophisticated search and browse functions allowing enhanced accessibility to the date-rich content. Then it has ability to compare multinational statistics in graph and tabular form, and it is interactive visual features including map, flags, and downloadable graphs. Impartial coverage of issues of regional importance from acknowledged experts. A vast range of up-to-date economic, political, and statistical data, and ability to search by content type across regions, thousands of clicks through web links and external sites. So it has all features that is required for a reference book, a reference source. And now we'll see the Europa Regional Survey of the World. So what it covers: Africa, south of the Sahara, Central Southeastern Europe, Eastern Europe, Russia and Central Asia, the Far East and Australia, the Middle East and North Africa, South America, Central America and Caribbean, South Asia, the USA and Canada, Western Europe. So another now we will see the drawbacks and conclusion. So not available in CD-ROM but available in online form. So this is not a major drawback, but on the other side it is available in online. Then now we will see the conclusion. For more than 90 years since its first publication, the Europa World Yearbook is main source of contemporary political, socio-economic analysis for library reference search and offering timely information. This year is one of the essential pillars of any serious reference collection or scholars journalists, like it will be an invaluable reference book, and this yearbook contains an unparalleled wealth of up-to-date information valuable to researchers, diplomats, and interested traveler on political, economic, and commercial activities in all countries of the world. And references are this. So on this observation we can say that Europa World Yearbook is a complete package of a reference source that provide all the information that is required for a reference purpose collection in the library or in the institution, so that they can get an international coverage of various events and a huge coverage of reference services, so that they can provide to their users. So with this critical evolution, we can say that Europa Yearbook is best reference book on collection of yearbooks. So with this, we would like to sum up today session.